Hello everybody. Welcome to Like.Mother.Like.Daughter. I'm Twyla and today we have an Ulta haul. So let's get into that. So before anybody asks, I'll just go and answer. This little coffee cup, I used to keep my brushes in it, but I was cleaning everything and needed to clean this cup, and I thought, you know what? When it came out of the dishwasher, I thought, that's so cute. Look how my thumb fits perfectly on the little lipstick handle. So I thought I would drink out of it today. All right, I am wearing these eye patches from Fast Beauty Co. The EYEQ Charcoal and Rosemary Gold Sparkling Eye Patches. These are supposed to even tone and texture, strip down oil on skin surface, and caffeine to tighten and brighten. Well, I don't have oily skin, but I do need the caffeine to tighten. So, well, we'll see. It's nice and cooling. I've tried a couple of these before. My favorite are the green tea eye patches from Earth and Escapes, and I need to order some more of those. But anyway, let's get into my haul. Okay, so this is 2 separate online purchases, and I'm combining them together. So this is everything that I purchased, but oh my gosh, there's so much to show you. This is everything that I got for free. Okay, purchases. I bought these Tony Moly Changing Magic Foot Peeling Shoes that help with your dry, cracked skin. In the wintertime, my heels get really bad, so I got 2 of them. Thought I might give one to my mom because my mom also has the same issue. So that's those. Which basically you put them on, and then within the next 7 to 10 days, your feet start peeling, but you do have to soak your feet. So just keep that in mind. I also picked up the Tony Moly Mini Peach Lip Balm that looks just like a little peach and smells heavenly. It does smell just like peaches, but I like these. Will set like this. I like the little tubs and jars to set on my nightstand because using the tubes similar to this, that they'll roll off. So I like having these, and that got me a free gift that I'll show you. I picked up, because I'm just about out, the Ordinary, the Hyaluronic Acid, and the Buffet peptide. So I picked up those because I'm about out of them already. I also picked up from Milani. I need another oil. I'm halfway done with my Milani rose oil, and I wanted to pick up another oil, and this is the Green Goddess Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil Glow Oil. And that interested me because it's plant. So here's the bottle. This is what it looks like. It says all natural antioxidant complex with vitamin E, rosemary, sunflower extracts, cannabis seed oil that's essential in omega fatty acids. So I'm excited to try that. Power to the plant, it says. Hopefully there's no fragrance in here. If there's a scent, I can't tell it. It says it's a lightweight oil, so wanted to try that. And that got me a free gift as well. I picked up wanted to try this. I was in Ulta one day and I saw this and I was like, that's interesting. I don't think it's new, but it's a BB cream, but it says it's a magic skin beautifier. Primes, corrects, hydrates, and perfects a flawless bare skin finish. Bare skin finish makes me think that it's sheer, but when you pump it out, it's this white base, but then it turns into your skin. See, it's now, if you can see it there, it's now colored. That's what's magic about it. And I was interested in that, so I thought I would pick that up. This is in light. I don't think there's any SPF or anything in there like that. It's just a BB cream, skin beautifier. Can't wait to try that. Bet I could wear that alone. You see the color on there? Looks like it's a little bit more. See, yeah, look. It turns to that. So that interested me. Glad I picked that up. I like using rose spray on my face. I said this before in one of my videos. My best friend, Kendall, hi if you're watching, I miss you, has the most beautiful skin. The pores are small. Her skin is taut. And one time we were sitting at a restaurant and I said, your skin looks amazing. She wasn't really wearing a whole lot of makeup. And I said, what have you been doing? And she said, oh, I've just been using some rose water spray. So that's what I've been doing ever since then. And this is a hydrating face mist from Mannakadar. And I believe it had rose water in it. Rose Hybrid Flower Extract. This says it has sea minerals and it's a hydrating face mist. So I like using these. I keep them over by my desk as well throughout the day so that I can spray. And let's just do it. Let's just spray it. Let's see how the mist is. Can you see the mist? No? Oh, it smells sweet. It doesn't smell like rose at all. What's it got in here? Aloe leaf extract, Rosa hybrid flower extract, Hamamelis Virginian flower water. Oh, is that what I'm smelling? Jasminum, sambac, jasmine flower. I don't know. It's okay. We'll use it some more. I'm running low, so I picked this up. This is the Elixir of Dreams Pillow Mist from Earth Therapeutics, and I do enjoy their, now that they have a new pump on here. It looks like this leaked during shipping, but now that they have this new pump, this smells so good. It's got valerian root in here. It's nice, and it helps. Pillow mist, sheet spray, you know, linen spray. Okay, and then the last two things I got were makeup. So this Kylie kit was half off, and it comes with a blush, eyeshadow duo, lip liner, liquid lip, and a lipstick. So let me see if I can pull these out. This is the Quartz and Topaz. So the Quartz is the metallic. So this is the Quartz and this is the taupe. Very, very small. And then we have the blush, which is in the color We're Going Shopping, which is a beautiful peach. There's the peach tone blush. The 3 lip products and the lipstick is in, oh my goodness. So we have a matte lip in Almost Friday, which is a peach. It goes with that blush really well. Almost Friday. We have a liquid lip matte, right? A Kylie. Oh, look, everything's here on the back for me to read. A velvet liquid lipstick in the color almost Bear. So it's showing them right here. And then a liner in the color Iced Latte. I like the pink packaging. So this is the lipstick, the matte lipstick in Almost Friday. This is the lip liner in Iced Latte, and this is the velvet liquid lip in Bear. That's a pretty color. So that was a nice little kit, full size 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 full-size products, and then the little eye duo, and it was normally $49 and I got it half off, so happy with that. And then the last thing that I bought is this Elcie Skin Perfector highlighter, and it's in Rosy Blaze. Pretty packaging. I don't know about you, but sometimes I'm just a sucker for packaging, you know. And there is, oh, that looks so pretty. Look at that. It's kind of, it's goldy, but well, let's just swipe it across. So I just swiped it across right here, right at the top. And there's the color, more of a rose. Well, it's not really, it's more gold. I was going to say peachy, but no, not rose at all. Not unless I guess you focus in this part right here. But oh, that's so pretty. Can't wait to use that. It's exciting. Oh, I forgot. I did, when I was in store, I did pick up a couple of items. I picked up the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in Blackest Brown. And then I picked up 2 MAC lipsticks. I love the MAC lipsticks. Can't help it. Still love them. I picked up the one in Modesty and another one in Cream in Your Coffee. And these are both right up my alley. Cream in Your Coffee, Modesty. They're both a little bit of a mauvey tone, undertone, but nice colors. I like them. Oh, can't wait to wear them. Okay, that was all the stuff I purchased. Now, do you want to see the stuff that was free? So because I purchased the Milani oil, I had a free mini Luminoso blush. There that is. I have a full size, but it's nice to have one I can take traveling with me. Because I picked up the Tony Moly items, I got this adorable little miniature piglet mirror. Isn't that just so cute? To do my brows with or something to look at. That is just adorable. This little cute little mirror. Who knew? Then they also had just make any purchase, and you got 3 samples, trial sizes, whatever. From Clarins, we got a foaming cleanser, wrinkle control firming day cream with SPF 15, and a beauty flash balm that brightens and tightens. They're all 3 this size, which is 5 milliliters. Then there was also, for any purchase, a free 3-piece Shiseido set. And this is the Shiseido oil-free broad spectrum SPF 42, water resistance for 40 minutes. So there's that. And then there was the 2, this is the Ultimune Eye, and this is the Benefiance Wrinkle Smoothing Eye Cream. And then there was a Becca, a 4-piece kit for Becca that came with a First Light Priming Filter, Instant Complexion Refresh, a sample of the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder, a Skin Love Glow Elixir, their little glow elixir, and a mini of the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. And oh, that's tiny. Look how tiny that is. I have a mini. Yeah, here's a mini. Now this is Moonstone, but I have an Opal in the same size. Look at the difference that they've gone to in size. I'll show you the inside, you'll know. So this is the one, the minis that you usually get, and this is the one that they got from Ulta. So their mini sizes are getting smaller. And then there was, if you bought, I think it was so many dollars worth of bath and body products, and I don't know what they considered bath and body. Maybe this oil? I don't know, but I got this mystery bag of goodies. And what's in here? Oh, geranium and peppermint, Start Happy body wash, and Wakey Wakey body wash, which is rosemary and lemongrass. So these are body washes from Plant Apothecary. Oh, it must be a new brand they're carrying. I smell the peppermint and the Start Happy, and then the Wakey Wakey lemongrass. Smell it. So those were free. And then there was this that was a free gift with purchase, and then this was a skin. This was the skin, the start of their skin. It was a 30-piece skin thing. So we'll get into what's in here. Let me scoop back up. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of little things in here. There's an itty bitty mini enzyme peeling pumpkin sleeping mask. It's a small one. La Roche-Posay SPF 30 moisturizer. I believe this is probably, yep, caviar shampoo and conditioner, color hold. Another shampoo and conditioner. Repair Expert Red Wine repairing shampoo and conditioner. Got a Boscia Black Detoxifying Black Cleanser, Fountain of Truth Dream Cream Overnight Mask, Juice Beauty Phytopigments, Base Illuminating Base, yeah. A MAC Red Lip sample and a Origins Blooming Bold lip sample. And these are neutral and then a red, so those are nice. Got some perfumes in here. Got the Victor and Rolf Bonbon, Yves Saint Laurent Mon Paris, Paco Rabanne 1 Million, and the Acqua di Giorgio Armani Absolute Instinct. So those are the perfumes. Then we have a Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner, a small travel size of the Too Faced Damn Girl. So it's a cool packaging. I don't know about their mascaras. Then this is a Deep Detox Scrub from Kenra Platinum Intensify Weekly Clarifier. Is this for hair? We have a little itty bitty Anastasia Brow Wiz. Little tiny itty bitty one. Mamonde Rosewater Toner. IT Cosmetics Lash Blowout Mascara. Poopery Original Citrus. I love the Poopery. Cover FX Water Cloud Primer. And a Time in a Bottle from Philosophy and Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream. So that's quite a bit of stuff. And then this was the skin loving thing. Nice little clear bag here. Okay, there's a lot in here. So on the top there is a Bota Simple Calming and Distressing Nightly Face Cream from Bota. 1/2 ounce. Belief True Cream Aqua Balm. Boscia Luminizing Black Mask, travel size. These are all travel size, I believe. There is a Grown Alchemist Gentle Gel Facial Cleanser. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. Mario Badescu Glycolic Foaming Cleanser. Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Mask, Gel Mask. Multi-Collagen Protein Powder. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Kiehl's Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil Herbal Cleanser. What is this? Zero. Vanilla Co. Clean It Zero 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? It's a cleansing balm. Weleda Skin Food Original Ultra Rich Cream. And another, this is Becca First Light Priming Filter. Another one of those. IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Lotion. Oil free. Boots No. 7 Firming Booster Serum. Curel Fundamental Solutions for Dry Skin. What's in here? Oh, it's a little duo. A lotion and a cream. You can't see the cream. There. Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. A little one there. And then the rest of these are foil packets. We've got a Dr. Bronner's Castile Soap, Pure Castile Soap. 18-in-1 Hemp Baby Unscented Soap. Terra Rose Clay Dry Mask. Some Uni Shower Sheets. 1 shower sheet. It's good if you're going camping. Botanics Daily Facial Oil. Body Cream from Milk and Honey. Fountain of Truth Facelift Elixir. Dr. Organic Snail Gel. Healthy Aging Face Mask. Coupon for 30% off Skin Bar. Is this for new customers only or for anybody? Offer valid on 1 qualifying service per guest. Excludes Benefit Brow Bar Lash Extensions 10-minute facial. That's great. 30% off. I'm going to keep that. I'm going to use that. Soap and Glory Face Soap and Clarity Vitamin C Facial Wash. The Route The Girlfriend Skin Loving Glow Primer. Never heard of that. Clarins Extra Firming Eye Serum. And then a Phyto Serum. Samples. Oh my gosh. Sugar Scrub. Vichy Mineral 89 Booster for Skin Fortifying Mineral Booster. And then some Moisture Surge from Clinique. And then a Privage Anti-Daily Serum. So, wow. That was everything that I got from Ulta. So I can't wait to get in and try a lot of these. Even the travel sizes. I'm very excited for those. And you guys want to know. Okay. I don't always use these things. Or the perfume sides. What I do with those is I put them in tubs over here. And then as I collect a lot of them, I take them down. And that along with things that I don't use. Makeup samples, things that I don't use like this. I won't travel with that probably. Or this. I will donate those to the women's shelter. People don't get skincare and makeup down there. They get a lot of toiletries, shampoo, body wash, toothpaste, deodorant, but they don't get a lot of skincare or makeup. Thank you for watching my haul. Everybody have a great day. Focus on the good and the happy in your life. And come back and see me again. Bye.